I won't let go.
Hello and welcome back to Rich Reviews. Today we're going to be servicing an Audi TT 2008 model. It's a 2 litre turbo, so we're going to do oil change, filter change, air filter and the spark plugs as well. So first job we're going to do is we're going to clean that, flush the engine through. Okay, so the first job we've got to do is obviously open up the oil there, and we're going to use some engine flush. Okay, so the engine is warm, so it will help to let this flow. We'll just pour this STP engine flush in. Like so, and then run the engine for about 5 minutes. Okay, so the bolt we need to undo is that one, which is a 19mm socket. So we're just going to undo that first, make sure we've got our bolt in place. So we can catch it. There we go. It's going to be hot. Then okay, it's all pouring out now. Lose that there. And then we need to open that up, which I believe is a 40, which I have here. It might be a 38, but we'll give it a go. Okay, so that's it. Socket. I obviously tried to make as much mess as I can, and that's worked today, so well done. Just got to tidy up the oil around here just to make it all nice again, and then we're going to put our new oil filter in there, and then we'll tighten it all up and put the new oil in. Okay, let's get the new filter. Okay, so this is the new Bosch Oil Filter P9243, and this is the new rubber seal that goes in that way so you can grab it when you need to change it again. I've taken the old one out, so the next job is to fit this again. Wait till it clicks. It's going to click. That's it, it's in. And now put our rubber seal around there. Okay, the new filter's in. So now I'm just going to put it up under there in its hole. And then tighten it up. Like so, just going to tighten that up now. Okay, so when you tighten them up, you don't want to put it too tight, because that's what someone else had done. Just enough, just as soon as you feel it clasp, that's it. Don't need any more. Right, just tidy this up now. Tighten up the bolt to the engine, and then we can put it all back together and put all our brackets back on. So I'll come back to you when it's all done. Okay, so that's all tight now. That's all tight. Just cleaning up under there. And then we'll put our tray back on and clean up under here. Now we're gonna undo this here to take this off and take this top part off. Might have to undo this. So that's our next job. Okay, so now I'm undoing that. Just undone this clip, and then this should just lift off. There's probably some clips around the back there that we need to undo, but then that should just lift off. Okay, so that just lifted off, just had a clip in the back there, came off. Now we're going to take the filter housing off, which is this metal plate. Just going to undo that. Okay, so next job, now we've undone those metal clips there, we need to undo all of these around here to be able to get to the filter. That filter is looking rather clean, but I'm still going to go in there and just check. Okay, so I undone that, and the air filter is new, so I'm not going to bother changing that. I'm going to keep it for next time. So we're just going to do all those up again, and then take the spark plugs out. Okay, so the next job is to remove the spark plugs. We've just got to take these pull packs out and then replace the spark plugs. So I'm going to remove these clips first and then move on to taking the plugs out. Okay, so I've removed those clips. The next job is to take the pull packs out and then get our tool to get the spark plugs out. Okay, so that's our first plug out. What I'm doing is putting some platinum plugs in there, laser platinum, GKRs. I've taken the first one out, so I'm just going to replace them one at a time. That way I keep it all in sync. Okay, I've just fitted the last plug in there. That's all good. So now we can put that in there. Put our clips back on. Okay, so the clips are all back on now. So now we can put this engine cover back on, and then top up with the oil, and then I think it says 7 litres for this, so we'll do that, and then we'll start her up. Should be okay. Okay, so I've just topped it up with the oil and clean engine actually on this, which is nice to see. So now I'm just going to move it onto the flat and just make sure that it's all level. So that's our next job. Okay, so we've done the service now, so now we need to reset the computer to say that it's had the service. So what we need to do is turn the key to the first position, and there it says service due. And then what you do is you pull out the right button, like so, and then you pull it out again, and then you just turn the thing off. Okay, so once you've done that to your thing, you can reset, and then your service light doesn't come up anymore. And there you go, all done. So thanks for watching, and come back for more videos soon. I'll be doing a review on the Audi TT. I've only just purchased it, so I'll do a review on this car.